Exercise 3.3 question number 1. Solve by the substitution method. Here we are introducing the new method, substitution. Before this we have completed the algebra method and graphical method also. So now we are discussing the question number 1 of the exercise 3.3. Here given two equations are given. You see here equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. I am going to clearly explaining to you how to solve the equations by the substitution method. Here two steps are there. For all the questions we are following these two steps only. In step number 1, find the value of x from 1. Always we are finding the value of x from 1. This is x plus y equal to 14. So here y transpose to this side, 14 minus y. X equal to 14 minus y. First step over. The second step, substitute the value of x in 2. I mean equation number 2 is x minus y equal to 4. So step 2 is substitute the value of x in 2, that is x minus y equal to 4. Instead of x I substitute 14 minus y. So 14 minus y equal to 4. 14 minus y becomes minus 2y. This is minus 2y equal to 4. This 2y comes to this side plus 2y, and 14 minus 4 is 10, y equal to 5. This y value we are substituting in 1 or 2. You will be get the value of x. So here I am substituting the value of y in 2, that is x minus y equal to 4. Instead of y I am substituting the value of 5, x minus 5 equal to 4, minus 5 comes to this side, it becomes plus 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, x equal to 9. So the solutions of these two equations are x equal to 9, y equal to 5. Like that here, total 6 questions are given. Out of that I am taking 3 models to you and remaining you can do yourself. Apart of that, question number 2. S minus t equal to 3 and s equal to 3 plus t. From this one s already I find out that one. And here s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal to 6. Here equation directly not given. So you are going to take the LCM. So 3 to the 6 LCM and this is 2s 3t equal to 6. By cross multiply you are getting 2s plus 3t equal to 36. This is equation number 2. Already equation number 1 is there. So by substitution method you are substituting the s value from 1 in 2. That is 3 plus 2 you are substituting in the 2. That is 2s plus 3t equal to 36. So you are getting t equal to 6. This t equal to 6 you are substituting in the second equation or in first. So I substituted in the first. S minus t equal to 3 you are getting s equal to 9. So the solutions of these two equations are t equal to 6, s equal to 9. So third model I am going in this one. You see question number 4 is different. Here decimal points are given. How to remove the decimal? See, 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3 as well as in the also decimal. By removing the decimal we are keeping 10 because of after decimal 1 digit is there. So like that it becomes 2x upon 10 plus 3 upon 10, 3y upon 10 equal to 13 upon 10. Like this also. So from this you are getting 1 upon 10 is the common both the side. It is going to cancel. By this you are getting 2x plus 3y equal to 13 equation number 1 and 4x plus 5y equal to 23 equation number 2. Clear? And in step 1 to solve the substitution method, step 1 find the value of x from 1. That is 2x plus 3y equal to 13. From this x equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2 you will be get. This x value you are substituting in 2. That is 4x plus 5y equal to 13. Instead of x I am substituted this 13 minus 3y by 2. So you are getting y equal to 3. And this value you are substituting in 2. So 4x plus 5, y value is 3. So just multiplying this 4x plus 5 into here exercise 3.3 we have completed question number 1. Here it is question number 2. In this question number 2, two equations are given. The two equations we are going to solve by the substitution method. After finding the values, we are going to substitute the y equal to mx plus c. In y equal to mx plus c, instead of x and y, we are going to substitute the values. Then we will get the value of m. Now we are going to solve with this. So see, take an equation number 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. We need to find the value of x from the equation number 1. That is x equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2. This is equation number 1. and equation number 2 given 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. You are taking out common 2, you will be get the equation x minus 2y equal to minus 12. This is equation number 2. We are going to solve by the substitution method. In this method, we are substituting the value of x from the first equation into the second. That is substitution value of x in 2. See, value of x equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2 we are substituting in 2. That is x minus 2y equal to minus 12. So you are taking LCM here, 2 ones are 2 here. So according to the 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 12. So 11x minus 7y equal to minus 24. 2 into minus 12 by cross multiplication. So you are getting the y value equal to 5. Now you are substituting the value of 5 in equation number 2. That is your equation number 2 is this x minus 2y equal to minus 12. X minus 2 y value is 5 equal to minus 12. So minus 2 into 5 minus 10 come to this side plus 10, and this is x equal to minus 2 you are getting. Now we want to find the value of m. To get the value of m, these x and y values we are substituting in given equation y equal to mx plus 3. Y value 5, m value minus 2, then we are getting y equal to value m into minus 2 plus 3, and we are getting here 2 equal to minus 2 m equal to 1. So this is the value we need to find. You come to the question number 3. In this question, it contains 6 questions are there. All are we are going to solve by the substitution method only. Out of that, I will select the different sums and some sums given homework for you. You see, in question number 3, first question, 2 numbers are there. Difference of these 2 numbers is 26 given. So we are going to take first number is greater than the second number according to that. So let 2 numbers are x and y. I am taking x is greater than y. You can take y is greater than x also. So here according to the given condition, difference of 2 numbers equal to 26. So this is equation number 1. And one number is 3 times the other number according to the second condition. That is equation number 2. By substitution method, we always substituting the x value in the second equation. So that is here x equal to 3y we are substituting in this one. So we are getting, instead of x we are substituted 3y minus y equal to 26, then y equal to 13 we are getting. This y we are substituting in 2. I mean here x equal to 3y. So x equal to 3, y is 13, from here you are substituting 13 3 is a 39. So you got x equal to 39, y equal to 30. So our numbers are 13 and 39. You can check also. 39 is the 3 times of the 13. 13 3 is a 39. So it is satisfied. In this second question, you see larger number. We are taking 2 numbers are there. One is the smaller, another is larger. Here complementary angle means sum of the angles equal to 180 given, and one angle is 18 times the another, 18 more than another also given. So we will see this. Let larger angle equal to x, smaller angle equal to y degrees. We have x plus y equal to 180 given in the question only, and the difference is here. Exercise 3.3 we are complete, and I given some homework to you, and here we are going to start the exercise 3.4. We are introducing new method in this, and actually it is not a new method. It came in the 6th, 7th, 8th standard only, when we are going to use the algebra equations in 2 methods, horizontal and vertical. That only here we call as the elimination method. Okay, I will explain clearly how to do by elimination method. So like we are taking the question number 1. In this question, 3 questions are there. So first question we are going to solve. In question number 1, 2 equations are given. You see here x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Here 2 equations are given. By solving the elimination method, I am giving steps to you. Step 1. Always in step 1, we need to check coefficients of x of in both the equations equal or not. If not equal, we are going to equalize the coefficients of x. How equalize? I am explaining here. You see here x coefficient of x in second equation is 2. In coefficient of x in first equation is 1. So you need to make into 2x here. For that, we are multiplying the equation 1 by 2 both the sides. So you are getting 2 of equation 1. It becomes 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now here 2x in the equation here, and here also 2x. I mean coefficients of x are equal. Now we are going to by eliminate 3 from 1. I mean this is equation number 3 and 1. And to eliminate, simply we are changing the symbols of these, and plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. So negative positive is going to cancel, both are negative, so you are getting negative symbol. 3 plus 5 is 5y equal to minus 4, minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So minus minus going to cancel, you are getting y equal to 6 upon 5. We are substituting y value in any one and 2. So always we are develop the habit to substitute in equation number 1 only. That is put y in 1. So x plus y equal to 5. X plus, instead of y we are substituting 6 upon 5 equal to 5. So you are getting x equal to 19 upon 5. Clear to you? The value of x equal to 6 upon 5 and y equal to 19 upon 5. Same as we are going to do remaining two sums. Second and third I am giving as homework to you. Now you are coming to the same exercise, question number 2. It contains nearly 6 questions or 5 questions are there. Out of these main questions I am going to solve to you. Here question number 1. Solve the given equations. In bracket given, you see the question, if it is exist, solve by elimination method. So here question number 1. Here fraction is given, we are taking fraction, it is not given, so we are taking the fraction x upon y. I mean numerator is x, denominator is y. According to the statement 1, numerator added by 1 and denominator subtracted 1 to get 1 fraction. That is, you are getting x minus y equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. In second statement is giving add 1 to the denominator only, then it becomes 1 upon 2. I mean x upon y plus 1 equal to 1 upon 2y equal to minus 4. So you are eliminate 3 from 2 like in the previous question only. So you are by changing the symbols, it is going to cancel. Y equal to 5, same as you are substituting y value in the 1. So you are getting the x value equal to 3. So our fraction, wanted fraction is x upon y. X value is 3, y value is 5. So x upon y equal to 3 upon 5. This is our. And we are going in the same question. A variety question, it is third question. Second and fourth, fifth I given as homework to you. Here question number 2, third. Let here is an important sum here. Sum of the 2 digits also given, and we are finding the 2 digits. And here you see we are taking the let units digit, 2 digits number will be formed by the tens digit plus units digit. So I am taking let units digit be y and tens digit be x. With this, original number is 10x plus y. Interchanging or reversing number is 10y plus x, means y goes to the x place, x comes to the y place. So according to the question, sum of the 2 digits is given 9. So x plus y equal to 9. And according to the second statement, 9 times the original number is equal to 2 times the reversing number. So I am taking 9 times equal to 2 times. By open the bracket, we are getting 8x minus y equal to 0. This is equation number 2. I got equation number 1 and equation number 2. According to the question, I need to check this is exist or not. So for that one, we are going to the algebra conditions. That is coefficient of x, ratio, coefficient of y, coefficient of constant. We are getting all are not equal. Means it is intersecting line, so exist, confirm. Now we are going to solve by the elimination method. So to solve by the elimination method, to equalize the x coefficient, I mean here x coefficient in first question is 1, second is 8. So x coefficients are not equal, so we are going to making equal. That is 8 times the first one. 8 into x plus 8 into y equal to 72. 8 9 is 72. So now 3. Now as question number 1, 2, all we are doing in the same method. Now eliminate 3 from 2. I mean this is 3, this is 1. So by changing the symbols, this is going to cancel, and we are getting both are minus, we are getting minus. So 8 plus 1 is 9y equal to minus 72. Minus minus cancel. 9 8 is 72. You got it y. Then to get the value of x, y substitute in any one of the equation 1, 2, 3, any one. So As usual, we are putting in equation number 1, y equal to 8 in 1. So x plus y equal to 9 is equation number 1. By substituting y equal to 8, x plus 8 equal to 9, you are getting x equal to 1. Now, answer is x equal to 1 and y equal to 8. In this question, remaining you try yourself, you will be get the answers. Thank you. Okay, homework is today's homework. Take question number 1 in exercise deep and over, second and third, question number 2, second, fourth and fifth. Thank you.